What's up guys, JA, and in today's new video we're going to be taking an early look at the upcoming Yeezy Foam Runner Cream Clay, which are going to be one of the most limited Yeezy Foam Runner colorways produced to this date. They're also rumored to be dropping Monday, August 2nd for Yeezy Day. So guys, stay tuned for the new video. It's coming right up next, y'all. So what's up, what's going on everybody? Appreciate y'all for tuning in for my new video. We're picking up from where we left off. In my previous Foam Runner video with the Ochre colorway, we now got the Foam Runner Cream Clays to check out. Now both of these colorways were originally set to drop July 24th, but have been pushed back now to August 2nd. So they will be a part of the Yeezy Day rollout. Now with these two coming pairs of Foam Runners, some good and some bad news. The Ochre colorway is going to be the most highly produced Foam Runner colorway to date. So I wish everybody luck on trying to cop those joints. Now, these cream clay joints, unfortunately, are going to be one of the most limited colorways produced out of all the Foam Runners till this date. So I feel like it is very important to discuss market value and to determine when is the best time to buy these joints, because unfortunately, it's going to be really tough to cop for retail. So we'll be using one of my favorite apps, Wanted, to determine the market value. But anyways, let's go ahead and get straight into these joints, because I ain't gonna lie, ever since we first seen these joints teased on the gram, I've been wanting to see them. You guys know I gotta collect every Foam Runner colorway, and we're gonna have to rank these joints to see how they stack up compared to previous colorways. So you guys already know what time it is. You know how we do it on these videos. We're gonna unbox these joints together, and I need everybody to smash the like, and let's go ahead and give our first impressions together. So you guys see it here, these joints. Drop your first impressions of the Yeezy Foam Runner Cream Clay. Wow, Yeezy, you've done it again. I mean, to be honest guys, the Foam Runner has kind of just replaced all of my footwear in general. It has so many purposes, just something you can slip on to being able to wear these in multiple different types of occasions. So this colorway is great. I love the earth tones. The base color is a tan, and then of course you have various tones of earth tones going throughout this swirl pattern. The Foam Runner Cream Clays are once again another must-have for me, but unfortunately, as mentioned, this is one of the most rarely produced Foam Runners to this date. So I've recently downloaded the Wanted app, which is gonna allow me to get the fair market price of the Foam Runner Cream Clay based upon various different reselling platforms. So it's as simple as me just scanning the QR code here on the box with the label, and Wanted will now factor in the various prices from reselling apps such as StockX, GOAT, and then Stadium Goods. By using their AI technology as well as this data, it's going to determine a fair market value price, which simply, honestly makes your life easier and will really let you know a fair price on when you want to cop these joints from the resale market. So you can directly place bids through these various platforms, directly through Wanted, and once the shoe is scanned into the system, you can then add it to your digital closet, because as y'all see over time, these boxes start to pile up, and I start to lose track of what I have in my collection. So Wanted is dope. If you guys are interested in checking out the app, of course I will have a link in the description down below. So out of these two upcoming Yeezy Foam Runner colorways, which are set to drop Monday, August 2nd for Yeezy Day 2021, I got a simple question for y'all. Which one are y'all feeling more? Now, for me personally, all hype aside, I do not care that this is one of the most highly manufactured pairs, and this is gonna be one of the more limited Foam Runners. Personally, I'm rocking with the Ochre colorway just because I'm a simple guy. I feel like the simple tones, just for me, are more wearable, so it just works a little bit more, but don't get it twisted. I appreciate the MX flavor. These joints are fire, must have, and you guys already know these are going in the personal collection. So now you know I gotta rank every Foam Runner colorway, right? So far today, we've had 6 different Yeezy Foam Runner colorways, so this list will just be my personal opinion. Don't get offensive, guys, but it would be dope if you guys can leave your feedback down below. So to kick it off, of course, we got the OG pair. We got the Ararat / Sand, which to me are almost identical, but slightly different shade. So you got to show love to the OG, this basic, clean, neutral colorway, very wearable, and just got to put some respect on the original. So number 1, we got the Ararat joints. At number 2, these joints have creeped up a lot. The mineral blue, I feel like these are basically a black foam runner. Originally, these weren't one of my favorites, but over time, just the fact that these joints are indestructible, just something about the black on this silhouette just does something for me. So number 2, we got the mineral blues. Now, it might be a surprise to y'all, but at number 3, I'm rocking with the ochre. Even though I just got them, I'm already in love with these. The choice of color is great. More of like a golden, brownish, somewhat in the realm of mocha. These joints almost look like the same color of the Yeezy box. So love the ochre. Is definitely gonna get a lot of wear in my collection. Now up next, the new joints, cream clay. Love them. The MX pattern, while it's not my favorite, I do like these a little bit more over the moon gray, just because I feel like these earth tones are just a little bit slightly more versatile than the primary gray color that you have here. So you guys already know, I mean, they're almost all equal, but let me know which are your favorite foam runners. So I've mentioned this several times in previous videos. The foam runners feel great on feet, very comfortable. I would say that the pairs made in China feel just slightly a little more stiff than the USA manufactured pairs. So of course, as predicted, the MX cream clay pair right here is a China manufactured product. In terms of sizing on the foam runners, guys, they run pretty true to size. So if you're one of those people that fall in between half sizes, they only come in full sizes. So in that case, I would just suggest to half up to the nearest whole size. So once again, the Yeezy foam runner cream clay set to drop Monday, August 2nd for Yeezy Day. Drop your feedback down below, guys. Salute to everybody for checking out today's video. I'm J.A. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Salute.